Hey, it's SHOVELHEADFFEJ. Today I'm not in the Shovelhead shed. Actually, where I'm at is in a very world famous, probably one of the best, if not the best, Triumph bike builders slash par none. Nobody's better than him. It's a guy that I call my friend. He's been after me for years and years, begging for me to come over just to see his shop. And that's Mr. Jared Weems. If you don't know who he is, go check out his channel. Right there. He knows everything there is about Triumphs, big Triumph guy,
and some British bikes like BSAs, Nortons, AJS, Area. I can go on and on and on.
Plus, he's an excellent Harley Davidson mechanic. He's building a bike right now. Like I said, this guy builds world-renowned bikes. He's building a bike for the.
It's actually commissioned by the Five Dirty Bikers podcast for an organization called TACA Now. It's an acronym that stands for the Autism Community in Action. So we're going to be taking this bike. This is a David Mann replica. If you've seen any of my stuff before, I did a Triumph for a charity called Forgotten Angels, and we were able to raise $106,200 for a bike Triumph that we built that's now actually on display in Barber Motorsports Museum. But in that painting from David Mann in July of 1983, there was two bikes, and this is the other bike from that painting, a 1975 first year left foot shift Harley Davidson Sportster that we're turning into a sweet little chopper, and we're going to be raising money for an autism charity near and dear to my heart. My son has autism, and autism affects so many people's lives, and we just wanted to be a part of that. So we're building this amazing little chopper, and anybody could win it.
How do they get the tickets? What do they do?
So link up with the Five Dirty Bikers podcast. Just Google them right online. Go to their website. You're going to see all the information. Tickets haven't went on sale yet, but they will be going on sale very soon. Just wanted to say thank you to so many people in the motorcycle industry that have jumped on board with this. Number one, Lowbrow Customs, S&S jumped on board, TC Bros, Throttle Addiction, man, so many people, Prism Supply, so many people just donating parts to this because they want to be a part of such a great autistic charity and put their name on something that's going to be amazing, man. Somebody's going to win an awesome little chopper. It's a great bike. The original bike had 10,000 original miles on it. So awesome. And I cut it in half.
If you Like I said, if you haven't seen his channel, go see his channel. He is such a much bigger YouTuber than I am.
No way, man.
As well as...
You have made some beer, man.
Look at that. My wife knitted it for me.
Knitted it.
Yeah, she knitted it.
It was like my wife says I can be a hipster Santa Claus. So you can be the legit Santa Claus. I'll be the hipster Santa Claus.
I want to be the new guy that they, he's the dressed up, real hunky looking guy.
Yeah.
Check out his website. Check out his, he's got t-shirts and merch and all that stuff too.
Oh yeah,
Right there. Check out the bike for autism. I'm gonna roll some B-roll of the picture and stuff like that.
Check it out.
Check it out.
And listen, if you follow me, just go ahead and unsubscribe and subscribe to this guy's channel. If you haven't subscribed to him already, you're doing the wrong thing. Listen, it does not cost a dime for you to hit that like button. Not a penny. Just jump down there, hit subscribe. You're gonna get all the really cool, awesome content. I love what Shovelheadfej does, like all the artistic stuff. He's the man. If I could be half of the videographer this guy is, I would be cool.
And if I could be half as cool as this guy is.
See, I work on British bikes. That's not cool. We know that. You work on Harleys. You ride Harleys. I have a Harley, but...
Bikes are like women. I love all types of women.
That's true. I like those Italian ones, like the Ducatis and the Moto Aprisa and like all the crazy off-the-wall ones.
So you're saying Harleys are like the fat chicks?
I'm not... You said it. I didn't say that.
Cut!